Hello friends, I am Rashmi Patel. Today we learn class 9 Sanskrit subject. Previous video we learned half lesson and again we start with this lesson in continue. The first of all we read this paragraph. कृषकः वृद्धः मरणासनं च आसीत् तस्य समीपे स्थितः तस्य पुत्र तस्मै कृषकाय कथयति तात अधमार्गे मया धनस्यूतः प्राप्तः तस्य दर्शनात् आनन्दः जातः तेन मण्डीयं दारिद्र्यं नष्टं भविष्यति इति विचार्य धनस्यूतग्रहणाय अहम् अष्टः प्रासारं किन्तु तदेव मया भवदीयः उपदेशः स्मृतः अन्यस्य धनस्य ग्रहणम् अस्माकं कुलाचारः न इति अतः अहं तं धनस्यूतं तत्रैव अत्यजम्. First of all, we translate it into English one by one sentences. I explain the difficult meaning and say a Sanskrit word into English. Okay, Krusakah means farmer. Vruddha means old. Marnasana, rich, dead. Sa asita is a past tense. The farmer was old. The farmer was old and about to die. And has reached date. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो आप. The farmer was old and has reached to date. Was about to die. तस्य समीपे स्थित तस्य पुत्र तस्मै कृषकाय कथयति means tells. कृषकाय farmer, तस्य समीपे near. Okay, tasya putra, tasya means his and putra means son. His son who standing near the farmer and tells, tata means father, adhamarge maya dhan sweta prapta, dhan sweta, okay, money bag. Dhan means money, sweta means bag, money bag. Adha aje, marge on the way. Okay, maya means I and it's a object, so we use object of I means me. Further, today a money bag was found by me on the way. It's a passive voice sentence. We write it in active voice. I found a money bag on the way. I found a money bag on the way. Okay. His son who was standing near the farmers and tell, father, today I found a money bag on the way. Tasya darshanata anandah jata. Tasya darshanata. Okay. Sight, darshanata, anandah, delight. Its sight delight me. Tena madiyam daridryam nashta bhavishyati. Thinking that. Okay. Iti vicharya means thinking. Iti thinking means thinking that my poverty, daridraya, poverty will end, nashta, end by it. So thinking that my poverty, madhyam means my, okay, daridra, poverty. It's thinking that my poverty will end by it. I अहम धन स्वेट ग्रहणाय अहम अष्ट प्रासायरम अहम I reach out my hand. I reach out my hand. प्रसार हस्त hand प्रसार means लंबा करना हो. I reach out my hand. किंतु but तदेव मया भवदीयः उपदेशः स्मृतः. किंतु but I remember उपदेश स्मृतः remember your advice. थोड़ी उपदेश advice. I remember your advice. अन्यस्य धनस्य ग्रहणम् अस्माकं कुलाचारं न इति. It is not our family tradition. अस्माकं okay न it's negation. It is not our family tradition to take the money of others. अन्यस्य धनस्य ग्रहणं to take the money of others. So I read this whole sentence. I remembered your advice. It is not our family tradition to take the money of others. It अतः so अहम त्वं धनस्यूतं तत्रैव अत्यजम्. अत्यजम् means left. धनस्यूतं money back. So I left. त्यज करूँ त्यागी देव. Okay, left. So I left the money bag. So I left the money bag there. Tatreva there. So I left the money bag there. Okay. Next we learn again. Turn the page. Next paragraph I read. चाटक शिशु सर्व शृणोति स विचारायति. अहो मरणानस्य वृद्धस्य तत्पुत्रस्य च स्वकीयं कुलाचारं पालयतु कीदृशी श्रद्धा. अहं तु कुलाचारं न पालयामि. वयं मेघजलमेव पिबामः इति अस्माकं कुलाचारः. त्वहं तयोक्तं प्रवर्ते. एतत् अनुचितमस्ति. चाटक शिशु the young one chatka sarva all shrunoti hear. The young one chatka hears it all. The young one chatka hears it all. So vicharati he thinks aho oh maranasya vruddhasya. Okay, the old man was dead on his bed. Okay, tata putrasya, the connection between father and son. Swakyam kulachara palayati. Kulachara family tradition. Their family tradition. Saddha, it's honesty. How great is the fate of the old man. How great is the fate of the old man on his deathbed. Okay, on the deathbed, old man. Tata putrasya means farmers. Okay, here we use pronoun his putra son to maintain the family tradition. Palayati maintain. Okay, I read whole. How great is the fate of the old man on his deathbed and his son to maintain the family tradition. Aham tu kulacharam na palayami. Aham tu kulacharam na palayami. Aham I. But I am not observing our family tradition. But it's a negation, so use not. I am not observing our family tradition. Vayam megjalam pibama. We drink only rainwater. We drink only rainwater. Iti asmaka kulachara. it was our family tradition. त्वहं तयुक्तं प्रवर्ते. I was about to give it up. Tayuktam, give it up. Okay. I was about to give it up. Etata anuchiti masti. Anuchiti means proper. Okay. And it's a negative sentence. So this is not proper. This is not proper. Next, sachintayati. He think. Here your one verses. पशवः पक्षिणश्रेव मानस्व सदाशयाः सन्ति स्वकुलाचारं रक्षामि कुलमात्मानं. The here give a verse I convert into prose order. Okay. The prose order sadasayah, it's the first, pasava is the second word, pakshina eva cha manava, eva cha manava, here cha pakshina cha manava cha rakshati, and after write a rakshati. कुलाचार फर्स्ट आएगा आफ्टर रक्षति. तो हियर सदाशयाः पशवः च एवं मानव च एवं पशव. हियर सदाशया पशव पक्षिणः पक्षिणः च मानव च स्वकुलाचारम रक्षति atmanam. Here this word in this word in two parts. Okay, atmanam kulam rakshami, atmanam kulam rakshami. Okay, we confuse here, so I convert in prose order to sadasaya पशवः पक्षिण च मानव च स्वकुलाचारं रक्षयति. Here this word in two parts, kulam atmanam. Atmanam is the first word, atmanam kulam rakshami. Okay. Sadasaya means well meaning. Sadasaya means well meaning. Rakshati means maintain. Rakshati means maintain या pursues. Okay. Pasava means animals के लिए लेते. Pakshina means birds के लिए लेते. Okay. Manava means human. The he thinks best means animals, birds, and well-meaning human beings. Well-meaning human beings maintain their own family tradition. Maintain their own family tradition. I will also take care. Swakulachar. I will also maintain. I will also maintain of my family tradition. Also maintain my family tradition. So I read a whole. Again I translate the whole verse. Animals, yeah, beasts, birds, and the well-meaning human beings maintain their own family tradition. Swakulacharam means on family tradition. I will also take care, or I will also maintain of my family tradition. Okay, here we'll again read the last paragraph. Evam चिंतय स मातरं प्रत्याग गच्छति सर्ववृत्तान्तं च कथयति माता संतोषम् अनुभवति शिशवे च आशीर्वादं ददाति अल्पे एवं काले मेघवृष्टिः भवति मेघजलं पीत्वा चाटकशिशोः तृषा शामयति. एवं does चिंतयति thinking so mataram pratyagachati means return. He returned to his mother. Mataram, mother. He returns to his mother and Servo rutanta kathati. Rutanter means whole and tailed whole. Kathati whole. Kathati means tails. And tails whole. Thus thinking, he returns to his mother and tells him all of this. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. In detail, rutant detail. Mata santosham bhavati. Mata means mother. Mother experience satisfied. Mothers feel satisfied, satisfactions, and sisavecha asirvad dadati. Asirvad means blaze. Okay, and bless is him. Mother feels satisfaction and blesses him. Him means Chataka. Alpayam kale megavrushti bhavati. In a short time. Alpam eva kale means in short time megavrushti bhavati. The rain is fall. The clouds shower rain. And megajalam pitva chatak sisur trusa samayati. Samayati means satisfied. The trustee Chatka, the trustee of young Chatka bird is satisfied. The Chatak Shisu, okay, Chatak birds is satisfied. Okay, here our lesson is over. Thank you, friends.